Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Xanwood marker. First, you need to launch the popular Roblox game called Find the Markers. Once you're in the game, make your way to the forest biome. This area is usually easy to spot. Your goal is to find a very specific tree within this forest. It's a bit tricky, but with these steps, you'll find it quickly. Now, let's get into the exact location. Head towards the large, gnarled tree that stands prominently near the waterfall. This tree has a unique appearance. At its base, you'll need to carefully look for a small, dark opening. It's quite subtle, so pay close attention. Once you spot it, simply enter this hidden passage, and the Xanwood marker will be waiting for you inside. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful so far, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It really helps us out. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep things fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Finding this marker requires a keen eye as it's quite well camouflaged. Don't rush. Take your time to thoroughly examine all sides of the designated tree for that hidden opening. It might not be immediately obvious. Remember, patience is truly key here. If you don't see it right away, don't get discouraged. A few careful attempts will surely lead you to your prize.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.